Hello, and on try. Hello everyone, and now try replace toner. Your printer browser. You looking in the tutorial. Okay, and step 1, if you error, open the cover, replace toner. Step 1, you press OK, and machine info you press up, network you looking the screen, print, general setup, click general setup and press OK. Location language you press up, replace toner, okay, and press OK, and now and stop your change, continue, click, press OK, and printing a great replace toner, click, press OK and continue, and printer fix again. Now error replace toner. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video and share your friend my video. See you, goodbye.